नाज आफरीन साहिबा भी हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं. यकीनन प्रिंट मीडिया का एक बड़ा नाम, इसके अलावा टेलीविज़न न्यूज़ की बात अगर की जाए, ऑफ कोर्स इट मस्ट हैव बिन वेरी वेरी क्योटिक इनसाइड द न्यूज़ रूम्स. नाज, कैसा महसूस कर रही हैं आज के मौके पे, क्योंकि अब ऐसा लगता है द लिविंग हिस्ट्री, द एक्सपीरियंसेस हैज़ टू कम थ्रू द सेलुलाइट, इट हैज़ टू बी आर्काइव्ड ऑन ऑनलाइन न्यूज़पेपर्स एट्सेट्रा. व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन द डे टुडे?
So I think it's wonderful that the Sindh government has organized this event to give us all this opportunity to take part in the collective sort of pride and all the very highly charged emotions we're feeling. I'd like to thank them for that. You're right, Sidra, it's been a whirlwind. I think it's been hard to keep track of minute-to-minute developments. But it has been amazing. Like I think the Chief Minister Sahab said, we are a nation that desires peace, and I think that we should keep stressing that. We want peace on all our borders, with all our neighbors. But if we are challenged, it's wonderful to see that we are able to defend ourselves. So I think credit goes to the leadership, credit goes to our armed forces that were able to keep us safe, the people of Pakistan safe, and to deter further kind of attacks on Pakistan. So yes, an exciting time for newsrooms, which I shouldn't be saying, but for once I think we all feel very proud of the outcomes, and I think the fallout has also been managed very well for the people of Pakistan, so really praise all around.